Today we're looking at the Belkin Connect 11-in-1 Pro USB-C docking station. And if you're tired of juggling adapters, cables and bulky power bricks, this might just be the one box that rules them all. It's got 11 ports, delivers 96 watts of power to your laptop, supports up to single 8K display or even triple 4K screens at once, and it's a handsome looking thing, isn't it? Belkin sent this dock over for me to test out, but this video is not sponsored and all thoughts are my own. Let's go! Inside the box, you'll find the dock itself, solid, compact, and finished in space grey, plus your cables and power leads. But unlike most docks, this one has the power supply built in. No heavy, ugly brick under your desk or weighing down your bag. No mess. Just one clean, premium looking unit ready to go. Around the sides, you'll find the full spread of connectivity, including 2 HDMI ports, a gigabit Ethernet port, a single USB-A and 4 USB-C ports with up to 10 gigabytes per second speeds, an SD and micro SD slot, an audio jack, and of course up to 96 watts power delivery to your laptop and another 50 watts for peripherals. For displays, it's seriously capable. 8K at 30Hz, dual 4K at 120Hz, or triple 4K at 60Hz. Perfect for anyone who needs big screen real estate without compromise. And the Belkin Connect Pro dock isn't just powerful, it's also pretty flexible. You can place it vertically or horizontally depending on your setup, and it's built from PCR materials. So while it's got that premium build, it's also sustainable. Belkin even included a dedicated on-off button, which is surprisingly rare in docks and makes powering down your whole setup quick and easy. Belkin say that this dock was built for the productive professional. People who need multiple high-res displays, quick access to SD cards, plenty of ports for hard drives, keyboards and peripherals, all while keeping their desk clean and professional. All of which pretty much describe me, maybe not the clean desk part, but working on it. Whether you might be editing, coding, creating, or just want a work setup that doesn't make you crawl under your desk, fiddling with cables every single day. This dock is designed to keep your workflow fast and friction-free. I've seen this dock priced as low as £120 or $160, and considering the premium build, functionality, and looks from a top-tier brand like Belkin, I'd say it's well worth the investment for anyone looking to cut the clutter and maximize productivity with just one cable to your laptop. So, the Belkin Connect 11-in-1 Pro docking station, plenty of ports, powerful charging, serious display support, and by far the best looking dock I've ever had on my desk. So for me, it's the dock to beat. Let me know what you think about this dock. I'll be really interested to hear your feedback. Please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you later.